So B-boy, B-girl culture is someone that truly loves hip hop, someone that truly loves breaks. Yeah, breaking music. That is like our home and our heartbeat to what we do. So in breaking in B-boy culture, B-girl culture, everything from how we dress to the shoes that we wear to the music that we listen to, all of that really becomes who we are. It is our culture. The crews that we represent and the battles that we show up to, the moves that we choose to practice. I mean, it's all a part of the culture of breaking, and you share that culture with other b-boys and b-girls, and it's stuff that you don't even need to necessarily talk about. It's just what you do, right? So culture is is what you do. It's a part of your everyday life. It's a part of who you are as you exist, and it's how you approach challenges. It's how you approach day-to-day things. And so having the culture of a b-boy or b-girl is that. I mean, your battles are normal to you, and you're fearless. You can face challenges because you've been in those type of environments regularly. And so I think that's such a broad question. But if someone were to ask me, like, what is that? What is B-girl culture to you? That's truly what it is. I mean, it's who I am. It's not like a something that I put on every day and I'm just, or like take it off at some times and put it on. It's just who you are, right? It's the music you listen to, the clothes you wear, the shoes, right? Like everything, the mentality that you have, and just how you are, how you represent. And so that truly is what B-boy and B-girl culture is. So how would I describe B-boy, B-girl culture? It's who you are and it's how you live. You can download Levels today. It's available on Google, iOS, and Roku, or by going to dancelevels.app.